Select Kia models come with a tire mobility kit which takes the place of the spare tire. If you have a flat tire, always find a safe place to pull over and turn on your emergency flashers. Please note that the tire mobility kit will work for small punctures on the tread area of the tire. If there's damage to the sidewall of the tire, you may need to call for roadside assistance. The components of the tire mobility kit include a sealant canister, which is good for one inflation, an air compressor, which includes the compressor hose and the power cord for the 12-volt power outlet. The power cord is long enough to reach all 4 tires. To get started, remove the speed limit sticker from the sealant canister and place it somewhere you can see, to remind you to drive at a safe speed until you have the tire replaced or repaired. Remove the valve stem cap. Then, connect the hose to the valve stem. Insert the canister on the compressor. Make sure the compressor is switched to off. Then take the extension cord and plug it into a 12-volt outlet in your Kia. And turn the ignition on. Switch on the compressor and let it run for 5 to 7 minutes until the tire pressure reaches 35 psi. Do not exceed 7 minutes. Now turn the compressor off. If after 7 minutes the tire pressure is below 35 psi, the puncture is too large to seal, and you should call Kia Roadside Assistance. Once the tire is properly inflated, unscrew the hose from the valve stem and replace the cap. Unscrew the canister from the compressor and replace the cap so any leftover sealant doesn't leak out. Drive the vehicle for 4 to 6 miles, or approximately 10 minutes to distribute the sealant throughout the tire. Then, pull over and park the vehicle. Reattach the compressor hose to the tire then plug in the extension cord. And check the tire pressure gauge on the compressor. If it's too high, bring the pressure down to the proper setting. The recommended tire pressures are noted on a label on the driver's door jamb. If the pressure is too low, turn the compressor on until the tire reaches the desired pressure. Now you can drive the vehicle to the nearest Kia dealer to have the tire checked. That's also a good time to pick up a new sealant canister, as they're only good for a one-time use. You should periodically check the canister for the expiration date to ensure it's always ready in case you need it. For additional information, please refer to your owner's manual, the Kia Features and Functions Guide, or the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.